Hi, I'm Elaine and I'm one of the directors here at Car to Cover. In my 25 years of working with gap insurance, I'm genuinely excited to tell you about a different type of gap cover that is not available anywhere else online. We all know that gap insurance is a policy that helps you financially when your car is written off or totaled. But now our unique gap insurance cover will also pay out for non-write-off accidents. Every year, over 1 million motorists choose to protect their vehicle with these products. And if you're considering protecting your car or van with gap insurance, you definitely need to stay tuned and watch this short 3-minute video. Gap insurances in the market can only be claimed on if your car is written off, but that's how it's always been. Claim on your gap policy and the payout could be significant. In fact, we've seen some big payouts made to our customers, which has helped them purchase their next car or settle a financial debt. However, the chances of a write-off are pretty slim. Our advanced gap insurance is different. Yes, it will cover the write-off gap in the same way as other gap policies. Yes, it will help cover your car insurer's write-off excess, like other gap policies. But uniquely, you can also claim on our advanced gap policy for non-write-off claims. Let's just pause and think about that. A gap policy that pays out even if you claim on your motor insurance policy for a non-write-off. Let me explain. If you have an accident or prang in your car and you make a claim under your motor insurance policy for the damage to be repaired, you'll have to pay your car insurer your excess. Well, every year, our advanced gap insurance will pay you up to £500 in total towards your motor insurance excess, and it will do that for every year your policy runs with us. Over 400,000 cars are written off in the UK every year. That's one every 90 seconds, night and day. But over 1.9 million motorists make a claim for non-write-off damage, and these statistics make our gap insurance 5 times more likely to be claimed on than any other gap policy sold online. As I mentioned earlier, if you make a claim on your gap policy for write-off, you could receive a significant payout from the gap insurer, but the chances of making a claim are much lower than the chances of claiming for minor accidents. We've all been affected by the rising cost of car insurance, and many motorists have been increasing their excess to try and help reduce their monthly or yearly car insurance premium. But make a claim on your car insurance policy for a minor accident and that can result in a hefty excess payout. Well, now you can cover that risk and claim up to £500 each year from your gap policy after a minor non-write-off accident. The good news doesn't stop there either. If you do make a claim on our gap policy for a write-off, you still get up to £500 towards your motor insurance excess, and you could be entitled to up to 30 days temporary car hire cover too. For the first time ever, you'll have a gap policy that will pay out even if your car isn't written off. To read more about our gap insurance cover and get an instant online quotation, visit our website at cartocover.co.uk. Join the thousands of motorists who have chosen Car to Cover for their gap policy since 2007.